Highest run getter in women's international cricket. She's one of the legends of the game. She is to women's cricket what Sachin Tendulkar is to men's cricket. She has impacted so many lives. Ladies and gentlemen, on Magic Speaks today, it is Mithali Raj. Thank you, Mithali.
Thank you for having me on the show.
People really get fascinated by that smile. Is it the goodness of the soul that reflects on the face?
Well, I'm truly enjoying the company, and that is why it's reflecting on my face.
Thank you so much, and thank you for being on Magic Speaks. And what has been your magic moment of life? If Mithali has to pick one magic moment, that's your camera, Mithali. And what a wonderful way to start the show than Mithali announcing her magic moment.
Well, the magic moment definitely would be the moment where my brother's coach has identified the talent in me, I would say, because of that I could able to sort of play for India, get into the sport in the very first, at the beginning. So I think that would be my magic moment. Though I don't feel the magic, but I think that set the ball rolling for my entire career.
You were 10 years old now?
I was, yes.
10 years old. And you wanted to be a Bharatnatyam dancer?
Yes.
Yeah?
I started Bharatnatyam much before cricket happened to me.
Yeah.
And dance was my passion. If you ask me my personal choice, I would have definitely chosen dance over cricket at that age. Didn't know what life had in store for me, but dance was something I wanted to pursue.
So the Mithali that the world knows is Mithali, who is like very cool, calm, quiet. Match is happening. Mithali, there's a frame catching her in the dugout. She's reading a book. Does Mithali, when she goes to a party, do you let your hair loose and do you go crazy with the dance steps as well?
Huh? No, not really. Not a party person.
No?
Kyunki na, when I started playing under 16 या under 19 हो India के लिए, I was the baby of the team. So I had to grow up quickly because मेरे जो seniors हैं मेरे age के double the age they were. तो parties उतना नहीं होती because the training was so much in the beginning कि थक जाता है इंसान, तो ज़्यादा socializing नहीं होती थी. तो I would say कि अभी इतनी नहीं होती है parties में I don't let my hair down. लेकिन हाँ बहुत चीज़ें मैं नोटिस करती हूँ पार्टीज में, कौन क्या कर रहा है, कौन क्या पी रहा है. वो चीज़ें तो होती है, तो वो जो इंसान डांस फ्लोर पे नहीं होता ना, उसकी नजरें हर जगह होती है.
सब कुछ वो गैदर कर रहा था. हम भी बहुत कुछ आपके बारे में गैदर करके आए. मैंने एक चीज़ पढ़ी जो आपने लिखा, आई पेंट माई ओन रियलिटी विद ग्रेस एंड रेजिलियंस. आई वुड श्योरली वांट यू टू जस्ट इलैबोरेट मोर ऑन दैट.
वेल, फॉर एवरीबडी their reality is very different. What you see, what you want to achieve, what your dreams and goals are. And लेकिन मैं जो society एक लड़की को या एक औरत को एक बॉक्स में रखती है, लाइक ये चीज़ें सिर्फ लड़की कर सकती है, ये लड़कों के लिए नहीं है, या फिर ये चीज़ों में लड़कियां नहीं जा सकती है, ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहन सकते. कोई अगर ये बोल दे कि ये लड़कियों से नहीं हो सकती, वो मेरे लिए रियलिटी हो जाती है, उसको करनी है.
हाँ, वो जिद है.
हाँ, वो जिद तो है. तो मुझे लगता है कि लोगों को ना सोसाइटी के जो नॉर्म्स होते हैं उस चीज़ को ज़्यादा फोकस ना करें, जो आपको लगता है कि आप अचीव कर सकते हैं या आपका पैशन है, जो आप चीज़ें करना चाहते हैं, वो आपको दिल खोल के करनी चाहिए, परस्यू करनी चाहिए.
तो मिथाली जो कह रही है वो सिंपल है. वो ये है कि अब दिल की ये जिद है, कुछ करके दम लेंगे, आंधी को रोकेंगे, सूरज को टोकेंगे, जिद्दी मन मेरा क्रेजी बड़ा है, अब आग लगा देंगे. सो व्हेन यू डिसाइड दैट यू हैव टू डू इट. जिंदगी में उतार चढ़ाव भी आए मिथाली, एंड अप्स एंड डाउन्स, पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. There was a moment when you were not picked in that semi-final against England in the playing 11. There was a whole huge controversy around that. Can you just take us down memory lane and tell us what really happened that day?
Well, I don't think I should get into the nitty-gritty of what transpired. क्योंकि वो चीज़ें जो है वो.
Why I asked this, Mithali, was because there are millions of people who love you.
Yeah.
And people would like to know, was it because you're not getting along well with the coach? Was there more personal vendetta? Was there more to it than meets the eye?
Well, there definitely is more that meets
Yeah.
the eye. I will definitely say that. पर ये है कि थोड़ी चीजें जो टीम के माहौल में होती है वो वहीं पे रहेंगे तो बेहतर है.
Respect that.
लेकिन ये है डेफिनेटली मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगी कि मेरी जो उस कंट्रोवर्सी में जो चीज़ें मुझे हर्ट हुई है वो एक चीज़ ये है कि जो चीज़ें ऑफ द फील्ड हुई हैं वो बहुत मुझे हर्ट हुई है, ना कि ऑन द फील्ड जब मेरे को ड्रॉप, क्योंकि मैं खुद एक कैप्टन रही हूँ इतने साल, तो मुझे पता है कि जब आप टीम की 11 बनाते हैं काफ़ी फैक्टर्स आप लेके बनाते हैं, तो कभी कभार अच्छे प्लेयर्स मिस आउट हो जाते हैं. तो ये मुझे पता है क्योंकि मैं खुद वो रोल निभा चुकी हूँ. तो मुझे इतनी दुख नहीं है कि मुझे प्लेइंग 11 में नहीं सेलेक्ट हुआ, लेकिन जो रीजंस जो चीज़ें उसके लिए दिए गए हैं वो उससे मुझे दिक्कत हुई है.
What I liked about that last answer was the fact that here's a legend who has a platform, and she could have easily announced what really transpired there, but that's not Mithali. That's not Mithali. She does not wash her dirty linen in public. And the best statement she's made today was the one where she says that whatever transpired in the dressing room, let it stay there. And that is what sport teaches us. Sport teaches us great things. I mean, sport is the biggest unifier. Sport gives us hope where once there was only despair. Sport teaches us camaraderie more than rivalries.
Yes, even in the rivalry, there is a bit of inspiration that you gain from people that you see. बहुत ऐसे players मैंने खेले हैं जिनके अगेंस्ट खेलने, भले वो ऑस्ट्रेलियंस हो या इंग्लिश प्लेयर्स हो, लेकिन जब अच्छा प्लेयर आता है आप उसके बराबर करने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन वो मैल नहीं है आपके इसमें कि नहीं ये ऐसे मेरे से ऐसे अच्छी कैसे हो सकती है, लेकिन ये है कि यार ये शॉट मुझे भी खेलना है. तो वहाँ पे ना वो रेस्पेक्ट बहुत होता है, इवन इफ देयर इज अ राइवलरी, वो रेस्पेक्ट होती है.
फिलहाल let's change gears on the show and let's get a little up close and personal. Now, ma'am, I'm going to throw two words at you, and two choices I'm going to give you. Pick one and give the reasons why, if you want. Bat in hand or mic in hand? I've asked you earlier though, still you can.
Yeah. Bat.
Bat in hand. R.D. Burman or Ilayaraja? Now, Ilayaraja is a famous music composer from Deep South, जिन्होंने वो गाना बनाया था जिंदगी गले लगा ले. R.D. Burman, of course, R.D. Burman we know. So R.D. Burman or Ilayaraja?
मैं इतनी म्यूजिक में नहीं हूँ, तो आई वुड से R.D. बर्मन, क्योंकि काफी सॉन्ग्स ये लड़कियां लगाते हैं ना बस में, तो थोड़ी बहुत सुन लिया. स्पेशली जो सीनियर्स नीतू डेविड जो है वो बहुत म्यूजिक में उनकी बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, रुचि है, तो हामेशा पुराने गाने लगाती थी बस में. तो इसीलिए इनके गाने बहुत सुने मैंने.
ऐसे ना मुझे तुम देखो, ये वाला R.D. बर्मन का. ओके, हैदराबादी बिरयानी और छोले भटूरे, ये आसान है.
19-20 का फर्क है.
हाँ, अच्छा.
बिरयानी.
यू लव छोले भटूरे आल्सो?
या.
अरे वाह, मिताली भी छोले भटूरे खाती है. शाहरुख और सलमान? शाहरुख. DDLJ types.
And also again it is more to do with his persona, or that he carries along with him. Good person who talks well, has a charm of charming the ladies around him, and a very nice personality.
Very nice personality. Deepika or Alia?
I would say Alia, because she's quite a versatile actor and she's done very good films, and she's someone who's very relatable to a lot many people. Like Deepika is right up there, the way she carries herself and
but
all
unreachable
that.
maybe.
A little bit of unreachable types, but Alia makes everybody feel like we can,
easy.
Yeah, she's a pretty easy, fun-loving person.
I see a lot of Alia Bhatt in you as well, because you're very approachable. You're easy to talk to. I see you dealing with people. Anyone who serves you tea or coffee, the first thing you say is thank you so much with a big smile on your face. Gratitude is the biggest attitude. It doesn't take much to be humble, right?
Yeah. True.
Ranveer or Ranbir?
Honestly,
None.
none.
I knew this one. She says none. I knew this one. Because whenever she was talking about personality, good image, somebody who is very eloquent when you talk, somebody who carries himself very well, somebody who's very good with ladies, somebody who is, who carries that chivalry inside of him to display it when the need arises. Okay, sorry Ranveer, you don't find a place with Mithali here. Coffee or tea, I know this. Coffee or tea?
See, I come from Hyderabad, Irani chai. पर आजकल माई इतने लेट नाइट्स हो रहे हैं कि कॉफी पीनी पड़ती है.
Black coffee.
ये रीजन के लिए पी रहे हैं ना.
Okay, beaches or mountains?
Mountains.
Anytime.
Yeah.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I've always loved national parks. I've been very fascinated with wildlife, whether it's going to South Africa, going on a safari, or within India like Jim Corbett, Panna National Park, Gir Forest. So I try, and whenever we plan a holiday, it's mostly not to these exotic destinations, but somewhere where, even in the forest, there is this birds, and suddenly there's the stillness when you're going on the safari, just curious where you can find one wild cat. I think those things I really enjoy.
Okay, last of this segment is going to be Virat or Rohit, and please give your reasons why, because this is Mithali Raj saying so.
Tough one. I would, if I have to go with somebody who has a talent, is Rohit, because I find him extremely talented. He has so much of time when he is in form, in flow. It feels like, भाई साहब इनके पास बहुत time है एक shot खेलने के लिए.
The other day, this is the thing that irritated him the most. He says the thing which I hate most, and Rohit says this, is when people say I'm talented. And he says, I'm talented, but I'm not just talented. There's so much more to it. What you're saying is right.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying how he feels about it. Go ahead, Mithali.
Yeah, so of course, even I've gone through this phase when people say you're talented. Yes, we work hard, but there is players who work very hard, like Rahul Dravid, to get to performing at that stage. And there are people like Sachin who worked hard, but there is God-gifted talent also.
Yeah.
So I'm talking about that talent.
Valid.
That Rohit is God-gifted when it comes to his talent. He works hard, of course. That's why he's playing international level. He scored so many runs. Whereas Virat Kohli may not have the talent that Rohit has, but extremely hardworking player. Extremely. He works on his fitness. He does everything so that his game elevates. That is the difference I find in both of them. When it comes to picking which player, I think that is, I feel that among all of them in the Indian team, there are other players like Shubman Gill.
What a treat.
The other day, the 100 he scored. I mean, ऐसा कहीं नहीं लगा कि he was planning for it. वो ऐसा लग रहा था कि एक मूवी चल रही है. मूवी चल रही है.
हाँ, और उसमें ये नहीं था कि इधर का बॉल यहाँ मार दिया, है ना, ये खेल दिया.
बस जहाँ पे डाला वहीं पे मारा. So that was so pleasing to the eye.
पंच लग रहा है, कवर ड्राइव लग रहा है, ऑन ड्राइव के चौके आ रहे हैं. एक दूसरा सवाल इससे
तो मुझे लगता है कि जो अगर रोहित जिस दिन फ्लो में है, he is a very nice batter to watch. So I would pick Rohit.
So hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. And the moral of the story during this phase of the conversation was, the harder you work, the luckier you get. We will get to another segment now. I'm going to give you one word and react whatever comes to your mind. Batting.
I've enjoyed it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Food. I don't enjoy it.
See, now if you are asking me to use adjectives, I'll run out of it. There's so many things.
Whatever. Speak from the heart.
Food I eat to live.
Well said. Smriti Mandhana.
After many years, I've got to see a left-hander, a stylish left-hander
Graceful.
up the ranks. Yeah.
Graceful. Do you see a little bit of You in her? Oh, of course, she's a left-hander though. A little bit of you in the beginning years?
In her beginning years?
In your beginning years? Were you like that a bit?
No.
No? Harmanpreet?
I've always been a big fan of her bat swing. She has one of the best bat swings, the technique that one uses to hit those big sixers in the
Okay.
world. Yeah.
MSD?
Well, I wish I can open his brain to see how he takes the calls and what are the similarities, how he's dealt with some tough situations. But kudos to him for actually playing in this edition as well, because I understand how difficult it gets when you start to get into your 40s, and he's kept up his fitness.
People actually make too much of a fuss about 40s. Let me tell you one thing. The first 40 years of childhood are the most difficult. Life starts after that. Okay. WPL.
I think it's a great, it's a game-changing thing for women's cricket. It's a huge revolutionary step that BCCI took.
Commentary. Commentators box, whatever.
Oh, I enjoy commentators' box because there's a lot of gossip happens.
We've been there together, we share the mic, and before that we see the roster also sometimes. We see, अरे यार ये वो ज़्यादा reveal नहीं कर सकते हम. Hyderabad for you, what does it mean?
Hyderabad is home.
Home.
Yeah.
BCCI.
I think the guardian of our sport in our country.
Yeah, well done BCCI, because 15, 17 years ago, nobody would have thought this is going to happen. Players are getting pensions. There is the medical bills that are taken care of. There's so much more. Plus the payment to the players, where the game has gone. So well done, kudos. Sledging.
What do you want me to talk about sledging?
Anything your heart says. When you sit in the commentary box, now, okay, let me rephrase it.
Okay.
When you sit in the commentary box and you see sledging happening there, you see Gautam and Virat going up to each other, and that's happening. That masala, does it make for good television viewing?
See, we've been there, we've been cricketers. You would not want to invest in that masala to be a good viewing for you per se. लेकिन जनरल पब्लिक के लिए वही तो चाहिए होता है. TRP.
इस सेगमेंट का आखिरी सवाल मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ. आखिरी नाम आपको दूंगा, पदमजीत शेरावत.
Well, I have to say, Parry gets a lot of energy when he sits in the comm box. There are so many times that the way he explains a particular situation, एक player का जो innings होती हैं, मतलब इनके नए नए शब्द मैं हिंदी में सीखने को मिलती है जब मैं इनके साथ कमेंट्री करती हूँ. और बस कभी कभार आई एम जस्ट इन ऑफ हिज फ्लो. अभी क्योंकि नहीं हूँ कमेंट्री बॉक्स में, तो आप अपने सीनियर्स को देख के सीखते हैं जो मैं सीख रही हूँ.
I'll give you one statement and you just react on that, whether it's true or false or whatever. Mithali is not an early morning person.
True.
True.
What are you thinking? How come she played a sport which requires to get up every day in the morning?
See, that is what an intelligent commentator does. You start to read minds. बताओ.
ये चीज जो रीडिंग माइंड्स होती है ना, बहुत पहले से सीख लिया. एज अ कैप्टन आई यूज्ड टू रीड अ लॉट, रीड माय ओन टीममेट्स.
Also reading books. एक मुझे सीन याद है, मैच चल रहा है, नहीं यार, आप पैड बांध के बैठे हो और आप पे कैमरा गया, आप एक किताब पढ़ रहे हो, तो लोग ये कहेंगे यार ये इनका ध्यान मैच में नहीं है. Now there's another way to look at it. Other way to look at it will be, why should I stress myself so much? Because I will save my focus for the time when it's required the most. Focus like a laser.
What happens is कि मैं इसलिए पढ़ती हूँ ताकि मैं 50 रन बाहर ना कंप्लीट करूं अंदर जाके 50 रन करूं।
हाँ.
तो एज यू राइटली सेड, लाइक यू नो, अगर आप पूरी खर्च अपना मेंटल जो फोकस है बाहर ही बैठ बैठ के देख के ही खर्चा हो गया, तो ग्राउंड पे जाते ही आप तो ड्रेन आउट हो गए ना।
हाँ.
तो तभी तो मिसकैलकुलेटेड शॉट्स होते हैं, आप गलत बॉल चूज करते हैं एक शॉट खेलने के लिए।
Mithali always loved batting with tail-enders. Is that true?
यस, क्योंकि उनके साथ क्या होता है ना, उतना स्ट्रेस नहीं होता है, आप ज़्यादा प्लानिंग नहीं करते। वो कहते हैं कि एक ऐसी बार हुई है कि एक टेलेंडर ने कहा कि दीदी आप अपना देख लो, मैं आपको सपोर्ट कर दूंगी, लाइक आई विल प्ले माई रोल, डोंट वरी अबाउट माई विकेट, आई विल प्रोटेक्ट माई विकेट, बट यू स्कोर रन्स, I'll be there to support you.
Nice.
And there are times when they say like you know कि इतना क्या सोचना है दीदी, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, पहले बैटिंग कर लेते हैं। So it's basically like they reduce the stress of what a batter feels when you're taking the responsibility. You need those light conversations in the middle. जब एक दो बैटर्स होते हैं ना, ज़्यादातर प्लानिंग होती है, कितना रन रेट है, कौन सा बॉलर क्या डाल रहा है, क्या शॉट्स खेलनी चाहिए, कहाँ गलत हुई है, क्या अच्छा हो रहा है। लेकिन एक टेलेंडर के साथ आप ज़्यादा टेक्निक के बारे में बात नहीं कर सकते। हाँ. उनको सिर्फ ये बोलना है, भाई तू मेरे को देख और मैं तेरे को देख के भागते हैं। So that's how you communicate.
और देखो, and then she is conscious about her हिंदी। आखिरी 3 सेंटेंस सुने आपने, वो मक्खन की तरह ऐसे भागे। हाँ, craziest thing a fan has ever done for you?
This is not of those years where there was social media, but every birthday of mine, a fan would send me a crystal, whether it's Taj Mahal or you know, he used to send on every birthday. After a few years, it stopped. So I asked my mother, I said, this, you know, since couple of years he's not sending me the gift. She said he must have waited and got married, so that's why he's not sending you on his birthday.
Did you ever come to know who he was?
I don't know.
Any name?
But you don't know who that person is.
No, what was the name that was mentioned on the gift?
I would hardly be at home, so my mother would say, you got a gift.
So my dear friend, whosoever you are, why have you stopped sending?
I told you we got married.
Even if you got married, even if you've got married, you could still send it, because एक हार्ट से हार्ट का भी तो कनेक्शन होता है, सब कुछ वही थोड़ी ना होता है। दो दोस्त भी तो होते हैं, एक आपका जो रिश्ता है एक अपने स्टार के साथ, वो हमेशा बरकरार रहना चाहिए, उसको कभी छोड़िए मत। If you get the power to change one thing in life, Mithali, what would you change?
I would change that people take time before making an opinion or judging.
Well done.
That is something I would change if I had the superpower what people, because आजकल क्या होता है कि at the blink of an eye लोग अपना opinion करते हैं और फिर उसको बदल भी देते हैं। So there is, it's not concrete, it's not authentic. जो भी चीज़ आप जो भी देखते हैं उस पे तुरंत opinion बनाना है। You know, I think वो चीज़ मैं ज़रूर, if I had the power to do it.
Second last question to you. What would Mithali Raj like to be remembered as?
I don't have an answer to this.
One, you leave behind a legacy. Two, you've always spoken about great athletes, and you spoke about Roger Federer, spoke about Sachin Tendulkar, spoke about Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma. It's very imperative that a celebrity lives up to the expectations and becomes a brand ambassador and a model for so many, because people want to be like you. You would have affected so many lives positively, Mithali. You have impacted so many lives, so many girls have wanted to take up cricket just because of Mithali Raj, and this is a fact. And nobody can change that. Let me also tell you what you leave behind. You leave behind a fantastic story. And if you've not seen Mithu, please watch it. That is the complete story. And also what you leave behind, Mithali, is the fact that a failure is not somebody who falls. A failure is somebody who doesn't rise after falling. गिरते हैं शाह सवारी मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के बल चले. It's impossible to live life without having failed at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default.
Yeah.
So also tell your fans for one last time, it is okay to fault. It is okay to err. Mistakes are the portals of discovery. You and your fans and your camera.
And I also want to say to all the fans that don't try to chase limelight. You know, I've never started cricket because I expected all these things to happen. I played cricket for the pure joy of understanding the sport and learning from the sport and seeing so many people invest their time in me and just giving it back to them. So not necessarily every profession is going to give you the stature that you're looking for, and not everything is stature and fame, glory. There are simple things in life. If you can be authentic to yourself and to people that you love, I think that is a life well lived.
From the multiple million lives that you've impacted, from the millions of fans that you have on social media, and otherwise also, because I don't believe everyone's on social media. Thank you so much, Mithali, and stay Mittu always, and keep impacting lives, keep spreading joy and love that you've always done, and be the person that you are. What a pleasure to have you on my show.
Thank you, Paddy.
Well, that was Mithali Raj. We cannot promise somebody like her because there can just be one Mithali Raj, somebody who has been a fine brand ambassador of the sport, somebody who's impacted so many lives, but with the promise that another celebrity is going to return next week on Magic Speaks. This is Padamji Chirawat saying goodbye. Take very good care of yourself.